Hey everyone, in this video you will discover how to create a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel just like the one you're seeing on your screen right now in under 10 minutes using free software. And you're also going to discover how to make it look great across all devices in this YouTube channel art tutorial. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense blog, where we help you start and grow an affiliate marketing business. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you're notified whenever I put out new videos. Your channel art is an important part of your branding and one of the first pieces of content any new potential subscriber sees. You want to instantly capture any new subscriber's attention, and you want your art to communicate exactly why people should subscribe to your channel. An unprofessional looking channel banner can instantly drive people away because, as the saying goes, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So let's dive in right now and I'll show you exactly how you can create your YouTube channel art using free software. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll show you two other tips that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. And I'll also show you how you can implement a lead magnet into your YouTube channel art to grow your email list. Now in this tutorial, we're going to use a free software program called Canva because it's really simple to use. However, these principles and strategies can be used across any platform, any program that you decide to use. All right, the first thing that you're going to want to do is come to this YouTube help page. And I'll leave a link down below for this. And you're going to want to download this channel art template. So save this file, just save it to your hard drive because we're going to use it in Canva. So I would just save image as, and then I'll just save it to my desktop. Now let's go to Canva and we're going to create our YouTube channel art. So I'm in the home page of Canva and I can just type in here YouTube channel art. And it'll come up with all of these different templates. So all of these templates you can use, and let me just make sure, yes, these are all free. If they're not free, they'll tell you down in the corner. So you can just choose any of these if you like. However, for this tutorial, we're just going to do a blank one. So this already comes in at the correct size, which is this 2560 by 1440. So that's good. So now the next thing you're going to want to do is upload that template that you downloaded from the YouTube help page. And I've already done that, and so it's right here. The easiest way to do it is to just drop or drag and drop that file to here, or you can just hit this and upload the image. But I want to drag it over here, and then I want to resize it to fit the exact size of our canvas. Now what this template shows you is it shows you the safe areas depending on the device. So for instance, anything within this dark box here will show up on a mobile device, such as like an iPhone. Anything within this gray area here, the darker gray area here, will show up on a tablet, and then anything within this full width will show up on desktop. And then the whole canvas will be for a TV. So if you want things to definitely show up on mobile, then you have to keep those images, that text within this dark area, tablet within this area, and then desktop the full width. So hopefully that makes sense. Now the first thing I want to do is, since I don't want this to show up on my art, I'm going to make this transparent, and then we'll eventually make it go away altogether. But for now, I just want to use it as a guide. So the next thing I want to do is I want to add this box, which will be my background. So I'm going to have it be the full width of the page, and I'm going to have it be my branding color, which is this. Now for now, since I can't see the template, I'm going to make it a little bit transparent just so I can see where I'm working right here. All right, so now I want to start adding images and text to our YouTube channel art. So the first thing I want to do is add my photo. So I'll go to my go to my uploads, find that photo that I have, right here. I'm going to crop it because I don't want it to be the full size. All right, hit enter, I'll make it a little smaller, and I want to keep it within the, let's make this a little bit more transparent so I can just see the guidelines here. Okay, perfect. There. Now I want to add some text, so let's come over here, let's add a headline, make it a little bigger. It's going to be my Poppins font. It's going to be white. Let's edit this. I want it to be all caps. So let's move it over here. Let's duplicate it so we can create, then put in my brand. itmakessenseblog.com. And this part is going to be my branded orange. There we go. Orange. And then I want to add some elements here. So let's add a line. Make it thinner. Drag it over here. And now I want to extend it so it under my name. Center it. Center this. There we go. Now let's add another box here. This box is going to be the orange again. Let's bring it over here. Let's make it a little thinner, a little wider. Let's bring this over a little bit. Let's add some more text. So we're going to add another headline. Let's make it a little bigger so we can see what we're typing. It's going to be white. And it's going to say, nope. Deleted it. Let's add it again. Online business, affiliate marketing, and then financial freedom. All right, let's make it white. Now let's make it fit inside this box. We can play around with the size if it looks too small. Yeah, it does. So let's make this box a little bigger. Now let's resize this, make it longer. There we go. And now if we want to see how this would look without the guide being here, we can just come back here, hit the transparency, and make it 100%. So this is how our channel art is shaping up. Now there's so much you can do when you're using Canva. You can add different text, you can add background images or texture, you can add different elements, you can add stickers. There's so much you can do, but for now we're just going to keep this simple. The one thing you want to make sure though is that anything that's important to showing up on mobile has to stay within this dark box. And in a minute I'm going to come back and I'll show you how you can add a call to action over on the desktop to create a lead magnet. But for now, we're going to use this as our channel art. We're going to make the transparency back to 100 so you don't see the template. And all we have to do is download it. And then download it as a PNG. And then once it's downloaded, we can go upload it to our YouTube channel. Okay, now I'm in my YouTube channel, and the first thing I want to do if I wanted to add or change my channel art is come over here at the top of my channel. So I went to your channel, which would bring me back to here, and then I hit this little camera icon. And this is where you can drop and drag that file, or drag and drop, and then you can see how it looks on the desktop, on the TV, and in the mobile. And if you want, but you shouldn't need to do this if we used, because we use the template, but you can adjust the crop if you wanted to, and then we'd come back here, and then I'm not going to actually save it because I already have the channel art that I want, and then you would save it. So that's how you can add channel art to your YouTube channel. Now, besides your channel art, there's two other strategies you can use to help you grow your channel. The first thing that you can do to help grow your YouTube channel is your About page. Now, if someone meets you for the first time and doesn't know if they should subscribe or not, they'll click on your About tab. And if your description is blank, they'll most likely click away. That's why you want to write a detailed About page to let people know what your channel is about, what kind of videos you produce and how often you upload them, and anything else that would make them want to hit the subscribe button. For example, if you go to my About page, it's nice, clean, and detailed. Now, the second tip is your channel icon. Your channel icon shows up in more places in YouTube than anything else. It shows up on watch pages, search results, video comments, featured channels, related channels, and more. It's one of the first things that people see from your channel before they visit your page. For example, when you leave a comment on a video, your channel icon shows up right next to it. So make sure your channel icon looks nice, like this one, and like this one. And finally, if you're using YouTube to grow your business, then your channel art can be a great place to put a lead magnet or an email subscribe button. And on desktop mode, and only on desktop mode, YouTube allows you to add in a custom link with a title right under the channel art. So right here you can see this is my clickable link. And the way you do this is you go to Customize Channel, and then you go to About. And then right here is where you can create your own customizable link. Now, if I go back to Canva, if you're creative, what you can do is you can create a design that will draw more attention to that call to action, but you have to remember that it can only appear in desktop. So in this section right here, and it has to fall outside the range of the tablet or the mobile. So if you stuck around for that last tip, then I assume you want to start and grow a business, and YouTube is an incredibly powerful program to do that. And if you want to start a business selling other people's products, then we've put together a free webinar, and I'll leave a link down below where you can go and you can get started today. So if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button as it helps my channel grow. And let me know which of the two strategies are you going to implement to grow your YouTube channel. So go leave a comment down below and let me know. Oh, YouTube. Learn channel art tutorial. Okay. Okay. Oh. I keep forgetting to turn my mic on. All right, let's try this again.